Hi, I'm Sunny with WTI, and if you're tired of moving your car seat and finding this mess, try out these car covers by Smart Elf, and they make such a difference.
So you want to start out by making sure you have a nice clean seat surface to apply your seat cover. And as you can see, there's a strap that goes around the headrest of your seat. It snaps into place and this lies comfortably on your seat. Your car seat fits right on top and you are still able to securely put your car seat into the car seat per the manufacturer's instructions. But now your seat is protected. You can simply take out that car seat cover or that seat cover, shake it out or wipe it down and keep your seat protected. You can also keep your seat protected if you have a larger dog that rides in the car with you. Now, as you can see from this material, it is really easy to wipe down. Like I said, take out and shake out to make sure your seats stay clean. You also have two front pockets with netting so you can see what's inside, where your kids can keep a few of their favorite toys.
So definitely give this seat protector by Smart Elf a try and you won't be disappointed. And that's my point of view.